Over 60. Eat these 7 cheap, high-protein foods to build muscle fast. If you're over 60 and you think building muscle means spending a fortune on fancy protein powders, expensive steaks, or specialty meal plans, I have some incredible news for you. What I'm about to share could save you hundreds of dollars every single year and still help you gain more real-world strength than those pricey supplements ever could. Here's a startling reality that most people don't realize. After age 50, we all naturally begin to lose about 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every single year. By the time you're 80, that can add up to a devastating 30% loss in your strength, your balance, and your independence. Meanwhile, the price of protein keeps climbing, and the fitness industry loves to push the idea that you need to spend $200 or more each month on their premium products just to stay strong. But the truth is, some of the most powerful muscle-building proteins on the planet are sitting quietly in your grocery store's budget aisle with no flashy ads or celebrity endorsements. And they work just as well, if not better. For the past 3 years, I've studied why some seniors remain remarkably strong well into their 80s and 90s, while others struggle with weakness and dependence. The surprising answer had nothing to do with spending more money. In fact, the strongest seniors I found often spent less. They simply chose protein sources that their bodies could use more effectively. In this video, I'm going to share 7 affordable, protein-rich foods, each costing under a few dollars per serving, ranked from good to absolute must-have. I'll explain exactly why they're more effective than their expensive alternatives, how much they cost, and the best ways to prepare them for maximum muscle-building results. And you'll want to stick around until the end, because the number 1 food on this list costs less than 50 cents per serving and delivers more usable protein than supplements that cost 20 times as much. Let's get started. Number 7. Canned tuna. Ticking off our list at number 7 is a pantry staple you might be overlooking: canned tuna. For just around $1 a can, you get a staggering 22 grams of high-quality protein in a single 3-ounce portion. For seniors on a limited budget who want to gain muscle, tuna is one of the smartest protein choices you can make. You're getting the same high-quality protein as a piece of expensive fresh fish, but with the convenience of a long shelf life and zero preparation needed. What makes tuna so incredible for building muscle is its remarkable amino acid composition. It's naturally very low in fat and calories, while containing all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect ratios for muscle protein synthesis. This makes it ideal if you want to increase your lean muscle without adding extra body fat. For us, the lean protein profile is especially important because excess body fat can disrupt the hormones that promote muscle growth and can increase inflammation throughout the body. Furthermore, tuna's protein is what we call highly bioavailable. This just means your body can absorb and digest it with incredible ease. This is a key factor because as we get older, our digestive efficiency can sometimes decline. Research from the University of Arkansas found that older adults used fish protein, like the kind in tuna, more efficiently than many other protein sources, with absorption rates hitting above 90% even among those over 70. At just $1 or so per can, you're paying less than 5 cents per gram of protein. Compare that to protein powders that can easily cost 15 to 20 cents per gram. For the best value, choose tuna packed in water rather than oil to keep the calories down. The cheapest type is often chunk-light tuna, though albacore has slightly higher protein content and a firmer texture. You can eat it straight from the can with crackers, add it to salads for a huge protein boost, or mix it with an egg to cook into savory patties. The FDA advises that adults concerned about mercury can safely eat up to 12 ounces of low-mercury fish, like canned light tuna, per week. This gives you plenty of muscle-building nutrition while staying well within safe limits. It's an easy, cheap, and powerful first step. But what's coming up next is even better for overnight muscle repair. Number 6. Cottage cheese. At number 6, we have a food that might feel like a throwback, but science has proven it's one of the best proteins for seniors: cottage cheese. A single cup of cottage cheese packs an impressive 24 grams of protein, and a large 16-ounce container often costs just $2.50. The distinct protein makeup of cottage cheese is what truly sets it apart. It contains a huge amount of casein protein. Unlike other proteins that digest quickly, casein takes a very long time to break down, giving your muscles a slow, constant supply of amino acids over several hours. This slow-release action is especially important for us because as our muscles age, they can become less effective at using protein. This is a condition called anabolic resistance. Think of it like watering a plant. You wouldn't dump a whole bucket of water on it at once. You'd water it slowly so the soil can absorb it. The prolonged release from casein ensures that no protein goes to waste, helping to overcome that anabolic resistance. Researchers at McMaster University found that older adults who consumed casein protein saw significant increases in muscle growth and strength. In one study, participants consumed casein right before bed, allowing the slow-digesting protein to work its magic overnight during the body's natural repair cycle. A 16-ounce container of cottage cheese costs around $2.50 and contains about 100 grams of high-quality protein, making it one of the most affordable muscle-building foods you can find at less than 3 cents per gram. A clinical study in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association revealed that seniors who ate cottage cheese at least 4 times a week had measurable increases in both muscle mass and grip strength. It's crucial to select the full-fat varieties over the low-fat ones. The healthy fats actually help with protein absorption and promote satiety, keeping you fuller for longer. You can eat it with berries for a protein-rich snack, blend it into smoothies for extra creaminess, or even use it in place of ricotta cheese in lasagna. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This is a true muscle-building powerhouse. Number 5. Eggs, whole. Coming in at number 5 is nature's perfect protein package, the humble egg. A dozen whole eggs will cost you around $2.50, and each one contains 6 grams of complete high-quality protein. For about 20 cents an egg, you're getting vital nutrients that support muscle function in a way that isolated protein sources just can't match. An egg's protein stands out not just for its quantity, but for its incredible quality. Eggs have the highest possible protein quality score of any whole food, which means your body can use nearly every bit of it for muscle repair and growth. This is critical for seniors as our protein absorption efficiency can decline, making every single gram count. But here is the secret that many people miss. You must eat the whole egg. For decades, we were told to fear the yolk because of cholesterol, but half of an egg's protein, along with key muscle-building nutrients like leucine, vitamin D, and choline, is found in the yolk. A groundbreaking study from the University of Illinois showed that eating whole eggs after exercise resulted in a 40% greater muscle-building response compared to eating just egg whites. The nutrients in the yolk actually enhanced the body's ability to use the protein from the whites, creating a powerful synergy that neither egg whites nor protein powders can replicate. Furthermore, eggs are one of the very few natural food sources of vitamin D, which directly impacts muscle performance. Seniors with higher vitamin D levels consistently show better muscle strength. A dozen eggs provides 72 grams of complete protein for less than 4 cents per gram. They are incredibly versatile. Make omelets, hard-boil them for a perfect on-the-go snack, or scramble them with vegetables. Just remember, eating the whole egg is the key. Recent science has largely debunked the old fears linking egg consumption to heart disease for most people. If you're finding these simple, budget-friendly tips helpful for your health journey, do me a quick favor and hit that like button below. It really helps the channel reach more people just like you who need this information. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more science-backed tips. Now let's look at a plant-based food that even meat eaters should be adding to their diet. Number 4. Lentils. At number 4, we have a food that might not scream muscle builder, but trust me, it's a nutritional giant for seniors on a budget. Lentils. A single cooked cup of lentils delivers 18 grams of protein, and a whole pound of dry lentils costs under $1.50. It's not just the protein level that makes lentils so great for building muscle. It's their unique blend of protein, fiber, iron, and B vitamins. This combination promotes muscle function and recovery in a way many other foods can't. Many older adults experience a mild iron deficiency without even knowing it, which can make you feel weak and fatigued. This is often mistaken for just normal aging, but lentils can help correct this nutritional gap. They also contain a significant amount of leucine, the single most important amino acid that acts as the on switch for muscle protein synthesis. While lentils are not a complete protein by themselves, they provide all the essential amino acids when you eat them throughout the day with grains or nuts. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly ate legumes like lentils had better physical function and preserved more muscle mass compared to those who relied mainly on animal proteins. The high fiber content in lentils also supports fantastic gut health, which is vital for absorbing all the nutrients you eat. A pound of dry lentils offers about 8 servings of high-quality protein for under 20 cents each. They cook faster than most beans and don't require soaking. Red lentils cook the fastest and break down into a creamy texture, perfect for soups, while brown and green lentils hold their shape better, making them great for salads. Number 3. Sardines. Our number 3 spot goes to a tiny fish with a huge nutritional impact. Sardines. A single can of sardines provides a whopping 23 grams of complete protein for a mere $1.25. Now, I know sardines make some people cringe, but for seniors on a tight budget who are serious about gaining muscle, these little fish are powerhouses. The protein content alone isn't what makes them so special. It's the quality of that protein combined with a massive dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are famous for lowering inflammation, which is a secret enemy of muscle in older adults. Low-grade chronic inflammation can erode your muscle tissue faster than you can repair it. The omega-3s in sardines act like a protective shield, preserving the muscle you work so hard to build. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed seniors for 3 years and found that those who ate fatty fish like sardines just twice a week lost significantly less muscle than those who ate fish only sporadically. What's more, those who consistently ate sardines maintained better grip strength and walking speed, which translates to real functional gains in your daily life. And don't forget the bones. The tiny, soft, edible bones are an incredible source of calcium, which is crucial for supporting your bone health as you age. Strong bones are the foundation for strong muscles. You can mash them into avocado toast, add them to a pasta salad, or even blend them into a Caesar salad dressing for a savory kick. Even 1 can per week provides a powerful dose of muscle-supporting nutrition. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is a refrigerator staple that's been supercharged for muscle growth, Greek yogurt. A standard cup provides around 20 grams of protein, and you can often find a large 32-ounce container for about $5, which comes out to just 80 cents per serving. Its unique protein composition makes it one of the most effective foods for seniors. Greek yogurt is special because it contains a perfect blend of both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. Think of it as a 1-2 punch for your muscles. The whey delivers amino acids quickly right after you eat it, which is perfect for immediate muscle repair, especially after a walk or some light exercise. Then the casein gets to work, providing that slow, steady release of amino acids for hours, ensuring your muscles are constantly nourished and protected from breakdown. On top of that, Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics, the healthy bacteria that support your gut. Research from Tufts University shows that a healthy gut is essential for reducing inflammation and, crucially, for absorbing more of the protein and nutrients from all the food you eat. The study found that seniors who regularly ate Greek yogurt had more muscle mass and better physical function than those who ate regular yogurt or none at all. Always choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt without added sugars, which can cause inflammation and defeat the purpose. You can use it in smoothies, eat it with berries and nuts, or use it to replace sour cream in recipes. It's an all-day muscle-building champion. Number 1. Dried beans. And now for the number 1 most effective, cheapest, and most powerful muscle-building food for anyone over 60. It's not a fancy powder or an expensive cut of meat. It's humble, versatile, and incredibly potent. Dried beans. A single cooked cup of dried beans contains 15 grams of protein, and a pound, which costs about $1.20, gives you roughly 12 servings. That's just 10 cents per serving. Beans are the ultimate champion because they combine 3 critical elements for muscle growth: protein for building, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, and fiber for gut health and inflammation control. The fiber feeds your healthy gut bacteria, which improves nutrient absorption and dramatically reduces the low-grade inflammation that accelerates age-related muscle loss. A landmark study in the Journal of Nutrition tracked seniors for 5 years and found that those who ate beans regularly had better muscle mass, higher physical function, and even fewer hospitalizations from falls. While beans alone don't contain all essential amino acids, your body is smart. It can combine the amino acids from beans with those from grains, nuts, or small amounts of animal protein eaten throughout the day to create complete proteins. You don't even have to eat them in the same meal. At less than 1 cent per gram of protein, beans beat every other food on this list for sheer value. 1 pound of dried beans has 9 times as much protein as a single protein bar for the exact same cost. While they take a bit of time to cook, you can prepare a large batch in a slow cooker and freeze portions for easy use all week long. They can be mashed into spreads, added to salads, stirred into soups, or served as a side dish. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, they all work. They are, without a doubt, the #1 secret weapon for staying strong on a budget. So there you have it. Premium diets and costly supplements are not necessary for building muscle as we age. Some of the most effective foods for your strength and independence are waiting for you in your supermarket's budget aisle. Let's quickly recap the 7 champions. At number 7, canned tuna for its convenient, bioavailable protein. Number 6, cottage cheese for its slow-release casein protein that works overnight. Number 5, whole eggs, nature's perfect protein with muscle-boosting synergy in the yolk. Number 4, lentils, a plant-based powerhouse of protein and iron. Number 3, sardines, packed with protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Number 2, Greek yogurt with its fast and slow protein 1-2 punch. And the undisputed #1 champion for both cost and effectiveness, dried beans. Every dollar you spend on these 7 foods is a direct investment in your strength, your mobility, and your long-term health. Don't try to change everything at once. Start small. Pick just 2 of these foods to add to your grocery list this week. Maybe a simple bean soup for dinner or Greek yogurt with berries for breakfast. Consistency, not perfection, is what will give you results. Stock your pantry and you'll soon feel more energy and keep the strength that supports your independence for years to come. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and share this video if you think it could help someone you care about stay strong without overspending. And I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite budget-friendly protein sources? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.